Memphis police say that an officer who was critically wounded by a fellow officer during the search of a home was shot by a shotgun. Memphis police spokeswoman Karen Rudolph said Friday that 32-year-old Officer Willie Bryant was in critical but stable condition at the Regional Medical Center in Memphis. Rudolph said Bryant is being treated in the hospital's intensive care unit. Police said Bryant and other officers were executing a drug-related search warrant at a North Memphis home Thursday when they were confronted by a dog. One of the officers tried to shoot the dog, but missed and accidentally hit Bryant. Rudolph said Friday that the officer shot Bryant with a shotgun. Bryant has been with the department since 2003 and is a member of the Organized Crime Unit.